That one?
No, I don't know. Where was it?
It was the little one way off in the distance.
I might have. I couldn't see through the
It was a
camera.
lot farther away than the first one. Gotta pop the side thing out so you can look too, babe.
Yeah, but it doesn't record as long, and I can't see.
Yeah, but you can plug it in and get to the other place. I just don't want you to miss the actual lighting by looking at it through a lens.
Can you scratch the back of my calf, please?
Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Right one. Down. Hard. Never mind. It feels like a bug just flew on it. It's freaking me out. Thank you. That's on camera. Yeah, okay. Long story. Let's just say it smells like mules here. The camera.
I'm good at that. Second time.
You can see the convective cell all the way over.
Yeah. Too far away.
They're behind the rain shaft.
Yeah.
They let me see, but my feet are slippy. Oh, I'm not doing it. I got here first.
Kobe, come on.
Mom, you got a good picture. You're ready,
We asked him if we saw it like strike one of the mountains
Yeah, oh my god.
and like explode a chunk off.
You hold the camera.
Try to get the animal.
Did you get a good picture?
Yes.
Little squirrel.
There's a squirrel.
You can see a bunch of rocks. We could take a bus and go around the canyon.
Around the canyon?
It's about an hour.
Hour? That's all?
Well, portion of it, not around, but
How much is that? Like
Free.
$38? Oh, free?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a loop on each end. There's the blue loop in the middle, and then there's a green and a red on each end to take
So
you.
take you to different
Oh, yeah.
ones,
That's,
right?
that's just the loop we were on last night then. That just picks up people at the different camps. That's
The village
loop is
route
blue.
does that, but
Yeah.
it takes you to the red route, and the red route
route
goes up
take
and down
you-
here,
yeah.
and then it'll also take you to the green route, which will take you that way.
Yeah, so.
And there's lookout points. We're gonna go do the green route today.
Ah, okay. So each round is about an hour?
I don't really know how long they take.
Okay.
If you just stay on the bus.
Yeah.
But you probably want to get off a lot, so.
No, we went down. No, in the bus.
Hey, you can't do that.
You guys hiked it,
Not all the way,
but enough,
but halfway. Halfway down.
and that was enough.
That was enough. Because we've seen people like bending over and faces all red and go, okay, that's enough.
Yep.
You got it, Dad?
That wasn't a big one.
It's a 2-day hike if you go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
We're not here
Oh,
long
that's
enough
for the
that.
river.
So we're not.
If you just go the mile and a half to the first rest stop, that's where the first one most people are going down to.
Okay.
It's a mile and a half to that, then there's a 3-mile rest. And then you can go all the way to the river. That's a day or two.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, leave the poor thing alone, guys.
Glad I couldn't do that today.
Daddy's got it.
Guys, come on.
Dad's leaving.
Today's a nice day for hiking if the rain stays over there. Nice and cool.
Just 30 seconds. Got a few more.
What? Sorry.
I'm just hoping for one really good, you know,
Mm-hmm.
last hurrah.
Unless you want to walk over on top of there so you can get more of the canyon.
No,
I'm
because
afraid while you're walking. You're
you'll miss it. It blocks all of it in the process.
Lightning is one of those things that never works the way you want it to.
Yep.
Because we could sit here for another 15 minutes and not see one while you're moving over there. It's a great big spectacular one right here.
Yeah. Sell them. Oh,
Must be pretty long. There's a lot of flashes behind the rain.
it's a big cell. You can see it all the way to the north rim.
Mm-hmm.
Flies keep landing on my leg. I keep freaking out. This is all the mule poop. I don't taste as good, Mr. Fly. Go away.
You have the weirdest commentary on your phone.
On what? On my phone? Is that the route that we needed?
Just trying to see if you're there and it.
Come on. You know it'll be the minute after I decide, alright, we can go. When I close up the camera.
You get that one?
No, I turned my head, but where was it?
It was
I might have gotten some right here, because I was holding
There
it.
was 3 separate bolts. Well,
Well, come
on
here.
either side of the horizon and one
Come
in the
here.
middle, so I'm sure you
This
got
is-
one of them.
This is where my screen has always been. Did I get
You
them?
probably got all 3. Or at
Excellent.
least the right 2.
I was getting up.
I know the really sad thing?
Hmm.
Because I was over here going, 3, I hit 1, and it was like,
I don't think it'll work for me.
Nah, just because I cycled through that 4 times before it actually worked. It was at the right time. They were still pretty distant though. I don't know if it's going away from us or...
It is. It's going that way, honey. Southwest and northeast.
Uno puede bajar por ahí solo.
And you share the trail.
What do you mean? La mula. Con ella. Si viene una mula, uno tiene que hacer.
Mira, aquí caliente.
Parece todo en.
Mira. Mira, burro.
I told you. I told you. Because ¿cómo se empieza entonces? Ellos preñan, pero la burra no pare. ¿Entiendes? Coja la explicación con la película. Ven acá, para que coja película aquí. Para que no se te
Fue al
olvide.
revés. Yo siempre sabía que el niño era el que era pesquero.
No. El burro y la yegua.
O burro. Cuidado. Mira.
Oh, look at that bird. We're not watching that. Yeah, 16. All the way down to Colorado. Colorado.
I want to go walking around that way.
Josh, do you want to go? If I didn't get any, I'm not going to. Didn't work. Alright, well, as you can see, sun's coming out on the back side of the cell. And we should probably meet up with his family before we lose them for the rest of the day. I got to see a thunderstorm with lightning over the Grand Canyon, and there's an eagle flying down there. I think it'd be pretty cool if there's light behind me of the sun, and then there's a giant lightning bolt or something. That'd be so cool. Lightning bolt. Look how dark it is over there now. Look at the birdie. Apparently it's waving.
Yeah, just because it doesn't, yeah, it helps a little bit.
Alright. There's yet another storm. You can see the mamadas from the storm. Not as impressive as when we were at Bryce, but still pretty good mamadas. You can hear the thunder. So you can see the mamadas. And the main thunderhead. And the thunder's up here. That's fine. And the family looking over the Grand Canyon while I'm looking at the storm. We're at the next point. Not Yaki, we were at Yaki a minute ago. This one I don't really know the name. Thunderstorms right overhead. It's really not good because there's no shelter but trees. And we all know we can't hide behind the trees. Look at the crazy kid who keeps walking off ledges. Nothing.
Who would do such a thing?
Oh, I don't know. Somebody named Josh. Maybe by the last name Norton.
So all of you guys are one family? Or?
Yep, we're one family, and this is his girlfriend.
Yes.
Two boys.
Making memories.
That's right. Well, they both graduated. One from high school and one from college. And Holly graduated from college too. So we decided it was. Yeah, that's right.
What are you doing, Tim?
In this thing.
Yeah, there is a losing shift.
Oh my God. Here's the problem that I have with this. If a tornado forms, we're in the flank that it would.
Because it was all going that way, and now it's kind of like circling around back like this.
It's forming. There's no tornado warning. There's no rotation on radar.
Well, the ones that hit the last time, nobody even knew it. They weren't even prepared for them.
Well, I think we're okay.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to go to see. This is only in the plains you get to see the entire thing.
Oh, this shifted. It's all coming this way now. It was all supposed to go northeast.
This is this right here. It's this thing. Oh shit. Get Jessie out here. She'll want to see this.
All the windows up in the car?
Yeah, mine are.
I gotta go shut the windows in the garage.
Damn it. And they're not even drunk yet.
Telling my whole life with his words, getting me something.
I'm dying to get this song.